This is Bill from Vac Lab, and I think I'm going to rebrand the name of these tests the flower underneath the carpet test. So for your approval, here we have a 1970s Hoover Custom Convertible U4007, and we're going to see if this is strong enough to actually pull flour from underneath the carpet. And this time I'm going to leave the camera rolling just in case somebody thinks I've doctored the tests. But I have to set up my stand here. So let's see how well 107 CFM, cubic feet per minute, 40-year-old machine actually does. Wow, look at that. Probably 99% of all the possible flour has been sucked right through the carpet backing. I think I found actually a little piece. Oh, there you go. There's a little piece right there still left. So let's hear it for old dirty fan bagged technology. Bye-bye.